In this video, I'll show you how to turn on track changes in Microsoft Word so you can easily keep track of every edit you make. This feature is especially helpful for collaboration, proofreading, and reviewing document revisions, since it clearly shows what was added, removed, or modified over time. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to work on. This can be a brand new file or an existing document that needs revisions. Having the correct file open ensures that all changes are recorded in the right place. Once your document is open, go to the Review tab located along the top of the Word window. This tab contains all the tools you need for editing, commenting, and reviewing content, making it essential for any document review process. Next, look for the Tracking section within the Review tab. Here you'll find the Track Changes button. Click it to activate the feature. As soon as it's turned on, Word will begin monitoring every change you make. From this point on, any text you add, delete, or reformat will be clearly marked. Insertions and deletions will be highlighted, allowing you or anyone else reviewing the document to quickly see what has been changed. This makes it easy to review edits, compare versions, or undo changes if needed. With track changes enabled, your document essentially keeps a detailed edit history. This is incredibly useful when working with teammates, sharing drafts, or simply wanting to track how your document evolves. To recap, open your document, go to the Review tab, click Track Changes, and start editing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you understand how powerful track changes can be in Microsoft Word. If you found this video useful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tips and tutorials.